Nìwega eroreri, nĩndamũnyita ũgeni kĩhunguro gĩkĩ gitũ kĩa Ruth na Mary YouTube. Njĩtagwo Ruth. I hope you enjoyed the last lesson with Mary, where she took you through about the Kikuyu alphabet. Today we will learn about some singular and plural. Mutumia, singular mutumia, woman, is a woman in English. In plural, we say atumia, women. Singular, muthuri, a man. Plural, athuri, men. Singular, kairetu, a girl. Plural, toiretu, girls. Singular, kahii, boy. Plural, tohii, boys. Plural is formed by changing mo to a if a person, or me if not a person, if it's not a person. If the singular starts with a, the plural is formed by changing ge to e. We have a few examples there. If it's not a person, if it's a thing, singular, mo, mote, it's a tree. Plural, mete, trees. Morago, it's a door. Mirago, doors. Mokefe, tin. Mekefe in plural. And when it comes to objects, ge, yete, is a chair. Plural, ite, chairs. Gekobe, it's a cup when it's one. Ikobe, cups. Getada, it's a bed, a single bed. Itada, beds. Then with R, like for example, ritho, which is a knife. Plural, maitho. We have come to the end of our lesson today. I hope you have enjoyed it. We look forward to seeing you next week. Don't forget to give us your comments if you want to learn something, or if you want us to emphasize more on something, so that we support each other. And also don't forget to share the video so that it can reach to as many people as possible. Tigoi nawega, tugacemania riu ringi kiumia giki kiroka.